everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about the new Patrick Ta duo blushes, the major headlines double take cream to powder blush. I have them in the shades She's So LA and Do We Know Her. So these are the packaging, and I'll show you the inside here. The most gorgeous packaging. I already have fingerprints on them. This one's She's So LA. So this is the cream and this is the powder. So there's that one, and then the other one is Do We Know Her, and it's the Coralie shade. It's so pretty. I've worn this one already, so you're gonna notice that. I'll leave some swatches somewhere on the screen here, and you guys will see how gorgeous they are. I'm gonna look up the Sephora page here to see what the details are about it. So it says it's a compact with 2 complementary blush formulas that give you full bold color guaranteed to turn heads. So the highlighted ingredients, patented biomimetic pigments, mirror the skin's ceramide structure, ensure adhesion, true color, and the most natural finish. Micronized pigments provide even flawless payoff, a luminous finish, and extended wear. So it does recommend to put the powder down first and then add the cream on top. So I've done that with the Do We Know Her color, and it works so amazing and it lasts all day. So let's put them on. I'm just gonna actually put on, because I have to go out and run some errands, so I didn't want to put 2 different shades on. So I'm gonna do She's So LA. It's the bronzy kind of pinky shade. Absolutely beautiful. And also the brushes that I'm gonna be using for the cream, I'm gonna use the MAC 139S, yeah, that one. And then the powder, I'm gonna use the Real Techniques blush brush number 400. Here's She's So LA again. I already have all my makeup done. I have bronzer and everything. The only thing that I don't have on is blush. Do this. See, it's like bronzy tone. It's so nice. So it's the powder. And then let's do the cream side. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's like the perfect kind of like bronzy kind of tone. I wouldn't wear it as a blush per se, maybe if you were more fair skin, but it's beautiful, like perfect blush actually. If you want to wear a red lip or nude lip, or, you know, it's stunning. The cream, it feels like it's very pigmented. It's very slippy. It's so nice. It just blends. It blends like a dream, and it just absolutely beautiful. So glowy, and I don't usually use a highlighter on my cheeks. I just feel like it emphasizes a lot of my fine lines and stuff. So I use a little bit sometimes, but especially if I'm wearing like a glowy blush, I don't usually, but this is so pretty. I'm just going to kind of buff out the edges a little bit with my Jouer hydrating powder in light, because it's a little Just want to diffuse it just a little bit. And then, let's see. There we go. All right. So this is the blush. Yeah, so I've been really loving this blush. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this review. Like and subscribe to my channel, please. That would help me so much. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Take care. Bye.